At Phu Port, one of the largest cargo grain handling and grain storage facilities in Vietnam, we recently installed several DSH systems. Prior to installation, loading conditions were extremely poor, with very low visibility and air quality. However, with the DSH systems, there was a significant improvement that has transformed the warehouse into a much cleaner and safer environment. Ground operation employees have reported a dust reduction of up to 85%.
It needs very minimal maintenance and it is a very efficient system.
Everyone is very satisfied with the system and are looking to install more dust suppression hoppers into their facility in the future. For more information, or to get in touch, go to www.dsystems.com.